when a person comes and comes, I'm not talking about, being aggressive in a way that you will push them away. But when a person comes and needs salvation and connection and love, and none of us show them that, and they're dealing with something and struggling, and they go back to the world, that thing is on our head, whether we like it or not. Because God is going to ask us on Judgment Day, you see this person is burning in fire, but I brought this person your way, and you were supposed to discern that you were supposed to be the one to hold that person in Christ. But over time, I realized that, man, the things I said I didn't want to do in terms of communication, I started being that person. I did. And then I had to tell myself, if I'm to win the youths, I need to learn to communicate. And I had to go back and say, Paul, let the Spirit of God allow you to be able to answer the question, why?